Hi, I'm Tiffany. I'm a consumer support specialist.
Hi, I'm Tim, a product specialist with MagTorch.
Tim, I get a lot of customers that write in and ask, why isn't my torch igniting? What can I do to help it? And I know a couple of things that could, potentially be that are like spider webs or solder or something. So could you walk us through the steps if there isn't a spark, what they need to do?
Okay. Well, first of all, if there is a spark, or how to check for a spark, right? We'll just demonstrate that on this particular torch here real quick. So took the tip off, as you can see. Obviously the fuel is disconnected. When you look in the end, you can see that there's a little igniter wire in there. And so just keep the torch a bit away from you, but so that you can see, and then click the ignition, and you should be able to see a nice little spark being formed. If you don't, a couple different things there to try. The igniter wire should be about 1/8 of an inch away from the inside of the burn tube. So if it looks like it's been moved or dislodged or something, you can just easily pry it back with a small screwdriver device. The other thing to check is that the end of the igniter wire could be contaminated over time. Maybe, like you said, there's some debris or other item that got down in there. So just take the end of a piece of sandpaper and clean that off so that it's nice and clean, and then try it again.
Okay. So if they get a spark, but it's not working, can you show us what to do in that regard?
For sure, yeah. So this particular MagTorch model, we've taken the tip off of the tube and the burn tube off of the torch. You can't always take these off. Some of the torches you can, some you can't. But in essence, the first thing you want to do is just take something like a pipe cleaner and just move it in through the tip, or down through the tube, I should say. Just back and forth a little bit. Again, like you said, Tiffany, spider webs can get in there, so that'll help clean that out. So that's one item, one way that you can clean it out. The other thing you can do is compressed air. So again, whether this is on your torch or not, you should be able to come up through the bottom, or you can even come down through the top and use some compressed air, again, just to clean out any kind of spider web debris, anything that might have gotten in there.
Okay, great. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Sure.
For more information, go to magtorch.com.